children, today we will learn about position words. Position means jagah and words means shabd. So the words which tells us about the position of a object, they are known as position words, or we call them as preposition. P-R-E, pre, that means पहले. पोजीशन, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन के पहले. द वर्ड्स विच वी यूज बिफोर अ नाउन रिस्पेक्ट टू द ऑब्जेक्ट, दे आर नोन एज प्रीपोजिशन. Okay, now see children, you can see many things on this table. First we take example of this object. Name of the object is glass. That is a naming word, glass. And what is the relation between the glass and the pebbles inside you see? The relation is the pebbles are in the glass. So in is the word which is connecting glass and the pebbles. ग्लास और पेबल्स को कौन सा वर्ड जोड़ रहा है? द पेबल्स आर इन द ग्लास. सो द वर्ड इन इज द प्रीपोजिशन विच इज टेलिंग रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन ग्लास एंड द पेबल्स. होप चिल्ड्रन यू आर क्लियर विद द वर्ड प्रीपोजिशन. इन मीन्स अंदर. नेक्स्ट यू कैन सी what is there behind the glass? Goggles. So relationship between the goggles and the glass is known by the word behind. Goggles are behind the glass. Behind का मतलब पीछे. तो क्या relationship हो गया? Goggle is a naming word and glass is a naming word. So how the naming words are connected? They are connected through the word behind. Glass के पीछे goggles हैं. The goggles are behind the glass. So second naming word is behind. In, behind. Next you can see children, there is a lion. The lion is in front of the well. ये well है कुआं, और lion कहाँ है? कुएं के सामने. सामने है means it is in front of the well. So what is the relationship between lion and the well? That they are in front. Lion is in front of the well. Same way the rabbit is beside the well. Rabbit is beside the well. वो well के बगल में है. Or we can say the rabbit is near the well. Well के पास में. Beside and near, we can use both preposition or position word for the rabbit. Rabbit is near the well or beside the well. And same way, if we see the position of the man from the well, the man is far from the well. The man is far. दूर है. Far means दूर. So the rabbit is near the well and the man is far of the well. Come to the next picture children. The monkey is above the tree. Monkey is sitting above the tree. So what is the relationship between monkey and tree? The word above is telling the relationship. The monkey is above the tree. Same way you can see hen. Where is the hen sitting? What is the position of the hen? The hen is below the tree. So the position word is below. नीचे. Above means ऊपर. Below means नीचे. So what is the relationship between all three of them? Tree, monkey and the hen. Hen is below the tree and monkey is above the tree. So tree is connected to both of the naming words. How? Through the position word. Which are the two position word? Above and below. Monkey is above and hen is below. Coming to the next picture children, you can see there is one duster placed on the pot. On the pot means pot के ऊपर रखा हुआ है. The duster is on the pot. pot को टच कर रहा है डस्टर, इसलिए we use the position word on. If I keep it here, then we will not use the word on, we will use above the pot. What is the position of duster? It is above the pot, because above का मतलब भी ऊपर होता है, but it's not touched on the object. So this is above and this position is on. If I will throw the duster from the pot, pot के ऊपर से अगर मैं इसको throw करूँगी तो we say it is passing over the pot. The duster is passing over the pot. Clear children, all three of them? On the pot, above the pot and over the pot. So what is the difference between children above and over? Above is the position is fixed. It is kept here only. For example, the fan is above your head. So the position of fan is fixed. But when you are saying over, the position is not fixed. It's going. उसके ऊपर से जा रहा है लेकिन उसकी position fixed नहीं है. The position is changing. So on, above and over. Hope children you are clear about the different position words. Thank you. Children, we will learn about position words. Preposition. Pre means पहले. किसी भी पोजीशन के पहले जिनको हम लगाते हैं, they are called as preposition. They tells us about the position of the naming word in respect of the object it is kept. So first preposition is on. O-N, on means ऊपर. The ball is on the box. Box के ऊपर है ball. The ball is on the box. On, ऊपर. So opposite of on is under, means नीचे. U-N-D-E-R, under. Under means नीचे. The ball is under the box. The ball is under the box. Under means नीचे. Same way, the third preposition is in. I-N, in. In means अंदर. The ball is in the box. And opposite of on is in is out. The ball is out the box. The ball is inside the box. The ball is outside the box. Same way as I told you, the pebbles are in the glass. The pebbles are in the glass. They are inside the glass. Glass के अंदर हैं. And अभी हमने देखा on. The sharpener are kept on the box. They are kept on the box. Same way, these sharpeners are in the box. इनकी पोजीशन क्या है? ये अंदर हैं, inside the box. They are on the box. और अगर मैं ऐसे बॉक्स को पकड़ूं और इसको मैं the chart is under the box. The chart is under the box. इसके नीचे है chart. Okay. Hope you are clear with on, under and in. The next word is behind. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. Behind means पीछे. The ball is behind the box. Ball जो है वो box के पीछे है. Behind the box. Same way I told you the position of goggles. The goggles are behind the box. What is the position of goggles? They are behind the box. The next preposition is between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. Between means बीच में. So what is the position of the ball, children? Ball is between the boxes. What is the position? Ball is between the boxes. Ball is a naming word and box is a naming word. So what is the connection between the two naming word ball and boxes? That ball is between the boxes. The next preposition is in front of. In front of means सामने, किसी के सामने. The ball is in front of the box. Again, ball and box both are naming words. तो ball कहाँ रखी है? Box के सामने. So what is the connection between both of the naming words? That ball is kept in front of box. या हम बोलें कि what is the position of goggles? The goggles are kept in front of the box. Goggles को हमने कहाँ रखा है? Box के सामने. So in front of and behind both are opposite. In front of means सामने and behind means पीछे. The goggles are behind the box. The goggles are in front of the box. Okay. The next preposition is beside. B-E-S-I-D-E. Beside. Beside means बगल में, पास में. The ball is beside the box. बॉल की पोजीशन कहाँ है? बॉक्स के बगल में. Beside the box. Next is on. On means ऊपर. So, hope children you have understood the word position word and the word preposition. Thank you.